Okay.
Okay. So today we have one more candidate, and he is basically a system, sorry, a Salesforce administrator,
Mm-hmm.
like you,
Mm-hmm.
and he wants to hold a good command. Basically, he is from the US.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, so his name is Michael,
Mm-hmm.
and
Hi, Michael.
Hi.
hey, Michael.
Hi, how
So
are you?
I'm doing good. I was just introducing you to Angel. Uh, basically, the it's a meaning of the name actually.
Yeah, it's
So,
Angel.
uh, so let's start with this session.
Okay.
And since you have the made doubt with the semi-join, so let's understand the semi-join. So share a screen now.
Okay. Sharing.
Okay. Now write a very simple basic query. For example, select ID, name from contact. Okay, and execute it.
Second.
Okay, you are getting the result.
Yes, this is very clear.
Yeah. Now go to Salesforce UI
Mm-hmm.
and go to contact object. And see, we have one relationship with account,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Mm-hmm.
Hello.
Yeah, I can hear you. Yeah.
Okay. So let's see, I mean, let's include this account in our query. Okay. So after the ID, put comma and write account.id. No, 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 simple, simple. Yeah, execute. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
clear. This thing is clear.
Yes.
Okay. Now, according to your choice, copy any of the account ID, any of the account ID.
What do you mean by copy? Take one to use it like in the
Let
Salesforce?
yes.
How do you
If you're
copy it?
not able to
No.
copy from here, if you're not able to copy from here, go in the Salesforce API. Sorry, in the UI. Click on contact and take from the URL.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yes. No, no, wait. Go down, go down. We need account. We need account. Okay. Yes. Now take the ID from the URL 001.
Okay.
Okay. Now go to developer console. Now after contact, write where account.id
Mm-hmm.
equal, yeah, and execute. See, this account has 4 contacts,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Mm-hmm.
Hello.
Yes. Yeah. Correct.
Yeah. And so this account has 4 context, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Now, what we are going to do, instead of giving the single ID of account, we are going to see the result for all the accounts. Okay.
Yes.
Just a small change now we are going to do is here. So instead of the equal, we are removing equal and we are removing ID now.
This one?
No, keep this. Just
Okay.
remove equal. Just remove equal and ID. Okay, and give space. Write in capital in. Give bracket. Select ID, comma name. Okay. Remove this name, otherwise you will become confused. We will be just playing with the ID. Select ID, remove comma from account, bracket close, and execute. Okay. Remove this account.id, just put account ID.
Here?
Yeah. And make I capital.
Here? Okay.
Yes. Execute.
Okay.
Okay. Now, understand one thing. You were earlier giving giving the particular account ID and your main query, select name, comma ID, comma account ID from contact, were giving you the result, right?
Yes.
Now, instead of giving the particular account ID, you are fetching the account ID, and this is behaving. Let's say, just go into the first this query, select ID from account, so you will get the first account ID. That account ID using in will be passed to your main query, select name, ID, account ID from contact.
Yes.
See the result in the here. Give me the control.
One second, I can see it, but I'm not able to reach the screen. Okay.
Okay. Now see the result. The first one. This ID you got from your this query. First, this query will execute. You will get the account ID, and then you will get the contact. So this you receive the ID, then you will get the contact.
I have a question, but we have account ID already here. So isn't it pulling from here?
It is showing from here. It is showing from here, and I'm intentionally making you visualize this account ID to just to understand that yes, you are getting this account ID from here, from this query.
Oh, I thought we were getting it from here.
No. See, okay, let's do one thing. Copy this query, whole query, or just wait. See, you have given the account ID here, right?
Yeah.
And the same account ID, because of this, just a minute, because of this, you were able to see here as well.
Okay.
The only difference is they have added a checksum in the last. But if you remove the AAAB, this 15-digit ID will be the same what you are providing here.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So here, instead of the giving the single account ID, we are trying to get the account ID one by one, and based on the one account ID, we are getting the contact and our whatever result we want to see in this query, right? Then if there are more than one contact, then again the the 2 3 whatever the number of contact we have.
Okay.
Okay, any
Mm-hmm.
doubt?
No, it's clear. But when do you usually use semi-joins and empty joins?
See, personally, I do not want to use this, but this is a topic. I will, rather than using the semi-join and anti-join, I will go for the relationship queries, that is child to parent and parent to child. And I will be teaching you this because this is the this particular topic, the relationship queries is very important. So I
Mm-hmm.
will be teaching you today only, but at the last.
Okay.
But since this is a topic, so we, or even if somebody you found a code and somebody have used this query, so you should be aware about it,
Okay.
right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now if I put not, okay,
Mm-hmm.
okay, so you don't have any record actually. So if I put not here, this becomes anti-join.
Okay.
Now create any contact without giving the account, you will see the record here,
Okay. Yeah, it's clear. It's clear.
right?
Mm-hmm.
So write down the two three lines about the semi join and anti join. Are you writing on your Word document?
No, I'm writing on my copybook. 1 second.
Shall I start?
Yes, it's clear. You can go ahead.
Okay. Okay. So you have some limit of using the the semi join and anti join. So first limit is no more than two in or not in statement per where clause. That means that you are using where here. Just a moment. You are using where here. Oh, sorry.
No worry.
You are using where here.
Mm-hmm.
So you can use maximum 2 times in or not in.
Okay. So basically the limit is 2, right?
I'm sorry.
So the limit is 2.
Element is 2 may mean.
The limit is 2.
Yeah, limit. Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, it's clear.
Okay. And did we discuss about the like operator yesterday?
About what?
Like operator.
No, we did little bit. Yeah, 1 second. Let me check my notes.
Okay.
Like, no, we didn't have like. We had like in the semi joins where you showed me percentage J. So like.
Yes.
Yeah, that means it starts with J. If it's J percentage, that means it's starting with J. But if it's percentage J, that means it's ending with J.
Right.
Okay. So what does this like percentage take? Is it like similar to contains?
No. Understand this way. Sometimes if you have seen the websites where you just the enter let's say the country name, okay,
Mm-hmm.
So if you have entered just I, so you will get the India, Ireland, all these, the country names starting with the I.
Mm-hmm.
If the want to search for study material, and as you type S, so you will get Salesforce SAP. Then
Yeah.
as you the continue starting I mean you continue your writing, so SAL, so then automatically Salesforce will come,
Okay.
right?
So what do you which operator is equal to contains? Is it n?
Equals to
Like contains, sometimes you generate a report, you say like contains this word. How do you write this in a SQL query?
contains
Like, let's say I have a report, I wanna for example, select industry ID from account.
mm-hmm.
So if I'm gonna execute this, let's say I want only where account contains the word energy, where industry contains energy. How do I add contains here?
So you will be writing here like where in industry equal energy.
Oh, okay, not just like contains. Okay, all right. Yeah,
Okay,
okay,
and
yeah.
if you want to same query if you want to use for the multiple values, let's say where industry equals energy or electronics or appraisal,
I use
then you
end,
will be
right?
using in. Yes,
Okay,
yes, yeah.
it's clear. Yeah, okay.
So now we have the order by and limit.
Mm-hmm.
So basically, the sometimes you want to see the result in a certain order.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so let's say that the only those values should come first who do not have the data in this particular field, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's write our first query, then I will explain you. uh, no, wait, this will be error. This will give error. No.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, if you want to make change only in this query, uh, write where industry nulls first.
Where industry what?
Nulls NU capital NULLS capital S,
Mm-hmm.
then first capital, all capital.
I'm sorry,
F
I
I
didn't.
FIRST first, and execute. Okay, go to the Salesforce UI and check the where's industry. Okay, is this the yes? So okay, is this the mandatory field or
No.
okay? So try executing now and let's see the result. Unknown error parsing. Just a minute, just a minute. This text. Okay, just do one thing. Make it like select instead of I instead of industry, put name. This is giving error. Okay, just give me a control. Give me a control. Give me a
Yeah.
control. Okay. select ID and if no count ID is oh, I missed the order. So we were writing the the industry and okay, now your query will work. Sometimes the hand help us to write the right query. Brain just keep on giving the wrong message. So industry.
You want me to write industry?
Yeah, just a minute, just a minute, just a minute, just a minute. Account. Order by a name. Okay, let's
It's
see.
nulls, not null, right?
I'm sorry.
It is nulls, not null.
Maybe they in the pick list they do not take the null result. Okay, let me just let me show you with other field.
If you put only order by industry, it will order it by the industry, right?
Order by name. Okay, so maybe for the pick list it do not work, but as per my knowledge, multi-select pick list do not respond. Why this particular is giving error? Just let me try. It is working now.
But what does this one mean? Industry nulls last, like it's
See,
at, I
yeah,
can see it at the beginning.
yeah, now I'm telling you. In the in the order by we have actually four ways to see the result. One is in the and we have to take the reference of a field. Okay, I'm taking the reference of industry field here. Order by industry. Okay, now you can write the query as ASC, that means ascending order,
Mhm,
DESC, descending order,
mhm.
nulls first, that means the your industry or any field whose value do not contain, and I mean whose the record which do not contain any record will come first, and the in case of the null last, the field which do not contains any data will come first.
But this one is nulls last, so null last
Right.
started first at the first one,
Yes,
correct?
yes, that is what actually I am looking for. Just a minute.
Mhm.
Actually, maybe for the pick list, I mean the order by
Mhm.
may not give the right response,
Okay.
because in the when I'm putting this, okay, let's try with the Maybe for the pick list, the order by do not work properly.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay, but you can try the query. Write down one query.
It's clear to me. No, nobody.
Okay, so let me give you the pattern.
Mm-hmm.
Just a minute. Just a minute. Give me the control.
Mm-hmm.
So for example, the whatever the field you are referring here, okay, so you will be writing if you want to the in a combination of ascending or descending and nulls first or null last. So you will be writing in this way:
Okay.
ascending, nulls first. Okay, now you can change the sequence that if you want to make it descending, you can make descending. If you want to see the result at nulls last, you can make the nulls last.
Okay.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
by
Okay.
default the Salesforce the gives us the ascending and nulls first.
Okay.
Now we have the limit. So limit is actually the very important uh, in terms of the governor limit as well.
Mm-hmm.
As I told you, yes, you are right. So the maximum, the record which a Salesforce can fetch.
500.
I'm sorry.
You told me yesterday it's 500.
No, 50,000.
50,000. Okay.
Yeah. And
Okay.
since this index starts from 0, so we put limit 49,999.
Okay.
Okay.
Can you repeat this 14,000?
Yeah, 49,999.
Mm-hmm. What is this?
See, the first element in any of the you take in a list or any of the collection format uh,
Mm-hmm.
will be able to come at 0 only.
Mm-hmm.
So can I take your notepad to explain this,
Yeah, one second.
or Word document?
Yeah, let me open for you one second. Not bad. Okay.
Okay, see, let's say I have some leads. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so okay, here I have, let's say, 4 leads, and these all leads you will be storing in a collection, be it the list or set or map. I will explain you in a later after the SOQL. But right now, take an example of a kind of the bucket, or kind of the box in which you want to store these all leads. Okay, so you will give a place, to this, to all the leads. So let's say this is the first. So you have given the 0 index. Index means the address, the place, like your flat number or house number you have. Okay. And this always starts with 0. The address always starts, index always starts with 0.
Okay.
So since we are starting with 0, that's the reason v minus 1 is equals to, because 50,000 we are saying, so 50,000 is the count. Now you count this 1 1 2 3 4. Hello.
Yeah, I can hear you. Yeah.
Okay, so count this 1 2 3 4, but the index is 0 1 2 3.
Yeah.
So same way, 50,000 is the count 1 2 3 4, and this way it will go to 50,000. But since our index is starting from 0, so this is 1 less than the total count, so 49,999.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so see, this meeting will end in 6 minutes, so you can rejoin again, same link. Okay, now you understood the why we are putting the 49,999.
Yeah, it's clear.
Okay. Now we have parent to child and child to parent query.
Okay.
Okay, just do one thing. Let's join again once again. Otherwise, in when I will be explaining this topic, this will end, and in the 5 minutes, it's not possible to explain.
Okay.
So let's rejoin again.
All right.